Hello everyone. Short video series. I'm just starting with this episode of how to restore a Smith's heater. Specifically, this is a Smith's heater out of a MGB. Again, my 1969 MGB. For those of you who know, that is where the heater sits, just in here, and the cold air is drawn in through here, through the heater matrix and down into the cabin or via the demister tubes. Back to the heater. Quite a simple thing really. This is the front cover and the main body of the matrix, some foam insulation packing. This is the heater matrix itself, through which the water from the engine runs, and this is the fan motor. So what I've started doing, I've stripped it down. I have taken the heater matrix out, I've flushed that through both directions under pressure, just with clean water, shaking it about. Got quite a significant amount of mucky, rusty sediment out of it, so that will be a bit more efficient. Then today what I did was strip the paint off the front cover, just take the worst of it off. I think someone had used hammerite on it in the past, which presentable, rust proof, but not exactly what I was looking for. To do that, I used night morse and a bit of elbow grease, as you can see. Now, night morse I don't think is as good as it used to be, but that's what they had handy in my local DIY shop. So what am I going to do to the casing? Well, I'm not too concerned about what it looks like inside. I'm just going to tidy up the outside, strip the paint off it, sand it down and paint it. Grease or oil this little felt pad here, which connects the cable on here. That decides which way the hot air goes, whether into the cabin or the demister windscreen. I've also tested the fan motor on a spare battery that I have. It runs really well. Unfortunately, I need one handheld camera, so I can't really demonstrate you doing that, but suffice to say it runs very well. Glad to say it doesn't need stripped down, I'll just need a bit of paint. So, what's next? A bit of sanding to this, take the rough off it, and then a bit of primer, and that'll be the front cover done. It needs a little sticker just to dress it up a bit, and then I'll do the outside of this. Put the matrix back in, make sure the flap valve's well lubricated, put the fan back on. Some nice new nuts and bolts, copper grease everywhere that is needed, and that'll be the fan done, ready to go back in again. I'll keep you posted on this. Any questions, queries, suggestions, comments, compliments, always happy to hear. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you.